Hello, I'm Joe Campbell from North Schuylkill School District. Hydro Extrusions in Cressona, Pennsylvania had a problem. The company was doing so well, it would have been foolish for them not to invest into expanding their manufacturing plant. So that's exactly what they did. Welcome to Extrusion Expansion Press 20.
So Press 20 is a completely separate building at our plant. It's completely independent of the main complex.
It was built and designed exclusively for the automotive industry. The automotive industry right now is probably the hottest ticket in the aluminum industry.
Right now we're working with Tesla. We're still working with Ford. We have a quality one standard with Ford. So right now we're kind of on the forefront with working with electrical vehicles and making parts for electrical vehicles, and we're probably going to advance further with that.
State of the art. All of the equipment is the best you can buy. I mean, when they talk about automation, they go into it a lot, but which is cool about manufacturing now. I know young people like electronics, computers, cell phones. So, manufacturing before was a lot of, excuse the word, but grunt work. People working very hard, people sweating, people dirty. I mean, this press has been in a year now, and this facility is extremely clean.
Thank you from North Schuylkill, and we are happy to show you what's so cool about manufacturing.